So, now, next thing we have is our bezel insert. It was nice of this fella, he even put some 3M on the back. That was very nice of you, senor. Hey, and this guy's even from Spain, so I said senor, and I'm not insulting the fella. Gracias, amigo. Alright, let's get this on here. We'll have to do a loom shot on this one today for sure. I will definitely do a loom shot because this one is going to be just popping. Here we are. Pardon my whistle. Pardon my whistle. That is, wow. Wow. That looks sharp. That looks so good. Okay, well, let's get the strap on this and then, pardon me, and then we will give you guys a quick loom shot because you definitely need one with this guy. I got that the right way. One side. Oops. There we go. Wow, that is super sharp. I mean, that's really nice. Here, let's get those hands out of our way. Very nice. That's 10-10. We'll hit that with some loom. I like them apples. That is gorgeous. Excellent choice, my friend. I hope you're happy because that's beautiful. Beautiful watch. And I very much enjoyed making it for you. I certainly hope you get the chance to watch this video and see the watch for yourself and see the build. Because I think this is quite nice. Well, thanks again, you guys. Don't forget to stop back again. Watch another one. Join me again for some shenanigans and some corny dad jokes. And good watch builds. Thanks, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.